Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How you guys can earn about $100 to $200 per day by simply spending some time and by using some simple tools. In this video, I will provide the complete method for you guys, so don't try to skip any part of this video. The method I will tell you in this video is completely authentic and no clickbaits. So, without wasting any time, let's start our video. Before I start my video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So, the method is that you guys will write blogs on different topics for different websites. Don't worry, you will not write them. I will tell you guys how to write plagiarism-free and unique content without doing anything at the end of this video. First of all, I want you guys to open this site, named as moneypantry.com. Click on Get Paid to Write. Here you will find more than 100 sites that will pay you for your content. You guys can see that there is no investment required. You guys don't have to pay even a single penny on this website, and there is a lot of work for you. Here you guys can see that AI-generated content is not acceptable. It means that your content should be unique. There are a bunch of different categories on which you guys can write. Like these websites will pay you for travel content. These websites are of general interest. And these are short stories. Try to work for those websites whose payment methods are verified. Not like these ones. These types of websites can be fake. Let's open up a website. Here you have to carefully read these guidelines. These guidelines are simple, like, your content must be plagiarism-free, word count, etc., and then submit your proposal. Don't worry, it's easy. Now, let's create plagiarism-free content for you guys. First of all, I will write an article using ChatGPT. You guys can also use other AI tools like copy.ai. This article is on pet care. After my article is finished, I will copy my text and paste it on the plagiarism checker. The final result is that my content is 13% plagiarized. To remove this plagiarism, just copy the text and paste it on the website named Quillbot. Soon, I will upload a detailed video on this tool. In Quillbot, paste your text and click on Paraphrase. It will generate a completely new sentence with similar meanings, and the plagiarism is removed. In this way, you guys will provide the unique content to the websites. Now that you know where to find typing jobs, let's explore some tips to maximize your earnings. In the modern digital world, where typing has become an essential part of our everyday lives, improving typing speed and accuracy is essential. The capacity to write rapidly and precisely may dramatically increase productivity and efficiency in a variety of tasks, including composing emails, preparing papers, conversing with friends, and even coding. Faster typing speed allows you to complete tasks more quickly. When you can type efficiently, you can respond to emails, messages, and work-related tasks in a fraction of the time it would take with slow typing. When your typing skills are proficient, you can concentrate more on the content you're working on rather than the physical act of typing. This improves focus and helps maintain a flow of thought, making it easier to express ideas and complete tasks efficiently. Effective time management is a critical skill that holds immense significance in today's fast-paced and demanding world. It plays a vital role in our ability to accomplish tasks promptly and take on additional projects. Mastering the art of time management empowers individuals to optimize their productivity, reduce stress levels, and achieve greater success in both personal and professional endeavors. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like my video, and thanks for subscribing to my channel.